Hello, remote workers. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have this company, yes, undergofantasy.com. They are hiring. Yes, this company is hiring in the United States. You can make money on your comfort of your house. Yes, they have all the benefits you can imagine. Let's visit undergofantasy.com. Win money on sports. Yes, if you can go down. Okay, first of all, they work in different states here in the United States. You can see all these states have their offices. So it's a great company and big one. So now you can go to careers. You can see here careers we are hiring. Want to join the team, explore openings. Underdog is committed to build the best sport and gaming platform in the industry and supporting the most passionate community of sports while doing it. While creating awesome product, they strive to grow their culture of passion, ownership, and fun. Their aim is to create inclusive environment for everyone to achieve their highest potential to work. So you can see what they vary at this company. They vary mentality, they vary many things, guys. If you go to this opening, of course, explore openings here, you will see undergo fantasy here. You can see they have current job openings in many departments. They have department of data, they have department of design, they have department of engineering, they have department of finance and rigor and also marketing. Yes, they have these jobs and all their jobs are remote. You can work from anywhere in the United States. Like this one, marketing. All right, you can see community manager, Discord, United States remote. So in this company, they are hiring. Their mission is to build innovative games and products for American sport fans. Yes, about the lore and why it is unique. This is their role, guys. This is about it. You can read through in this law carefully. Let me pass through it really quick. Troubleshooting technical issues. You can see technical issues. You can solve technical issues and the lies with technical support team to solve Discord related problem. Collaborate with marketing and content team to develop and implement strategy for growing Discord community. Coordinate with freelancers and content creators to enhance the visibility of Undergo Fantasy brand on Discord. Work closely with marketing and content team to coordinate cross-platform communication strategy, gather feedback from community and convert insight to relevant internal team for continuous improvement. Yes, grow Discord community. There is so many things on this platform. So the opportunity is in front of you to become the biggest company in the space is massive. After all years, they have created sitting in consumer industry in the United States in just over 2 years. They have reached nearly $500 million valuation through some of the biggest investors in the game. So they work with different games industry out there. So they help them that, let's take an example. If you are watching a football or soccer on your screen, these are the company which can help you to make your stream going smoothly. All right, so under God they believe that the sport are everyone and they are building tomorrow for every fans. They want to help you to create your future. Yes, you can join them. Okay, so you can see Undergo is US based company and no sponsorship is available for this position at this time. Yes, sometimes they might give sponsorship, but for this time there is no sponsorship. It is only in the United States. All right, so you can see who you are. You have to be a person with previous experience in managing a large and active Discord community, passion for sport, fantasy gaming, and also solid understanding in fantasy sport industry, strong communication and interpersonal skills, familiarity with moderation tools and the best practice, ability to work independently and collaboratively in the fast space environment, proven track record and organization, technical proficient in sport features, board and interaction, successful community events. So you can see what they offer. Unlimited PTO. We extremely flexible for expansion of the first week or the first few weeks before and into NFL season. 12 weeks of full paid parental leave, monthly leave. They have many benefits, guys. They have sport, they have $500 work from home allowance, and they got credit to play on their platform. Connect virtual first culture with high engaged distributed workforce. Okay, they have all these other benefits, guys. You can check out with them. They have 401k, 5% 401k match. They have so many things. They pay for your dental. They have benefits include dental, vision, and so many more. Still not sure? Don't take a word for it. See what people have to say. They have 5% rating on Glassdoor, 100% CEO proven rating, also A plus culture score, and comparably recognized as the best place on the work by front office sport, recognized by comparably under the following awards: best CEO search engine optimization for women, best search engine optimization for diversity, and so many more. So this company is based in the United States in New York. Undergo is a sport farm. Alright, so if you're satisfied with this position, what you have to do is just to go on this process and apply. You have to upload your resume, of course, attach your cover letter. It is very important. And also you will tell them if you are legally authorized to work in the United States. Do you have an active short service or non-completed agreement with current or former employee? You have to answer all these questions, enter your email address, LinkedIn profile if you have. If you have your website, you can just place them here, and then they will get to know you. Remember, this is a remote jobs. Yes, apart from this, guys, I know most people who are watching my channel, they are interested in working from home worldwide. So as you can see, I have this data annotation tech. They are hiring. You can check with them. They have so many positions and their benefits. You can work from anywhere. As you can see, flexible work, transparent pays, and unlimited earning, flexible hours, payment guaranteed, and choose your project. Of course, after registering with this platform, you will be choosing different projects coming in. Also, there is no experience required. They offer free training. Also, it's very simple to withdraw. You can get started by clicking here. Of course, go to this platform on their website. Yes, continue with the application. It's data annotation. Data annotation will get to experience different tasks related to the artificial intelligence. Guys, it's simple task. It's just to get your time and familiarize with it. Yes, I understand it's very hard to gain more money on these platforms, but guys, try to be on different platforms and see if you can make money online. Guys, I have also this other platform. I'm telling you to search jobs if you are interested. Job 2 careers, they post so many jobs. You can check out with them. Also, there is this Oxium data services. You can find different jobs, data entry jobs, and so many more. Be aware of scammers. Yes, there are scammers in the United States, also in India. There are people frauding others, guys. This company is only working in the United States. You must be US citizen residing in the US. Make sure you don't understand other people telling you, oh, we will give you jobs. The only platform that I'm sharing with you today, which you can find jobs worldwide, is this one, data annotation tech. Check with them. You can see like this one is from Africa. If I believe this one as well look like Africa. So if you are interested to work from anywhere in the world, check out with this data annotation.tech. Good luck in your application. And for those who are in the United States, you have more options. There is this company that I wanted to share with you today. Undergo Fantasy, you can become community manager. So it's a simple job, guys. Don't be intimidated with this word. Manager is something that you have seen there what you will be working with. Remember, they give you training. All these jobs, they give you training and you will get used to it. So good luck in your application. Never be discouraged in your application. Your time is coming. Good luck and see you in the next video. Bye.